Apply the Pesti Smart Pest Plan by creating a continuous exterior barrier and following a seasonal schedule to prevent pests before they enter your home. Start by reading the product label and plan instructions thoroughly so you understand target pests, dilution rates, and safety intervals. Prepare by wearing gloves and protective clothing, closing windows and doors, and removing toys and food from the treatment zone. Mix the pesticide concentrate with water in the provided application bag using the exact ratio on the label, agitating gently to ensure uniform suspension. Charge the rechargeable sprayer and test the spray pattern on a non-porous surface until you achieve a fine, even mist that does not drip. Apply a continuous barrier around the foundation and along obvious entry points such as door thresholds, window sills, garage seams, and utility penetrations, keeping spray directed at the soil line and cracks rather than onto plants. Follow the seasonally optimized schedule provided by Pesti, increasing frequency during warm months and reducing to maintenance intervals in colder months, and always reapply after heavy rain as directed. A common mistake is over-applying product, which can waste material and increase risk of exposure, so stick to the labeled dilution and coverage rates to treat only recommended areas. People often skip treating hidden entry points like weep holes or attic vents, so inspect for gaps and treat those specific locations with targeted short bursts rather than broad spraying. Another mistake is neglecting follow-up and seasonal timing, which undermines long-term prevention. Set calendar reminders for the recommended intervals and after major weather events so your barrier remains effective. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and shows listings that connect people who need work with those who do the work. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can exchange tips about plans like the Pesti Smart Pest Plan and practical experiences to help each other make better decisions.